guys, myself Shonali Singh. Today I am going to share a blog about the Nature Study Cum Adventure Camp for the Challenge Children and Youth organized by NAV. On 18 December, our journey started towards the camp. Beautiful scenery. Now look, this is our campsite at Samsing Kalimpong Forest Division. We stayed here from the 18th to 23rd December 2021. In the beginning of the camping, the medical team organized a rapid test of the campers. All the guide members had already taken the double dose of vaccination. The honorable persons started the program by hosting the Indian flag, followed by the NAV. Then the group was divided into 4 divisions, which were Tiger, Cheetah, Myna and Deer. I was the escort of the Myna group. After that, all the basic facilities were shown to the challenge children and youth.
ओ दुनिया सजी तेरे लिए खुद को जरा पहचान तू धूप है।
Then we had our delicious lunch in a disciplined manner. As you can see, the night view was totally mesmerizing. The tents were placed in a round manner, which was surrounded by a dense forest. In the next morning, 19 December, at 5:30 am, tea was served to us. After getting fresh, we did physical exercise to boost up. We had our breakfast. Then we started our adventurous journey towards Suntali Khola. We learned manner, trekking sign, cane and arrowhead. We covered up down approx 8 km by trekking. Next, we returned, had our lunch. Campers were taught thumb knot, safety knot, figure of 8, reef knot, clove hitch, bowline and timber line by Avijit sir, Kaushik sir and Chinmay sir.
Left over right. এবার এটাকে কি হয় সব বলা এটা এটা হয়ে গেল। এবার যদি আমি ছেড়ে দিই এটা অনেক সময় খুলে যেতে পারে, সেজন্য এখানে একটা সেফটি নট বা থাম নট দিতে হয়।
এটা এখন লাগে না, এই যে এই আমার বাঁ হাতের দড়ি, ডান হাতের দড়িটা অ্যাক্টিভ, এটা ফিক্সড। এই হাতটা সমেত ঘোরালাম, দড়িটা ছাড়িনি, এটাও ছাড়িনি, এটার তলা দিয়ে নেব। যেভাবে দড়িটাকে ধরে যেভাবে হোক আমাকে এই ফুটো দিয়ে হাতটা এবার এখানে একটা থাম নট দিলেই এটা ঠিক হয়ে যাবে। নট ঠিক হয়েছে কিনা সেটা জানার প্রথম হচ্ছে অ্যাক্টিভ হ্যান্ড আর প্যাসিভ হ্যান্ড, দুটো যে রোপ ছিল তার মাঝখানে কোনো রোপ পড়ে থাকবে না, মানে বুঝতে হবে তাহলে আমার নটটা ঠিক হয়েছে। এটা কিন্তু এখনো স্লিপ করছে, কারণ এটা করবে যতক্ষণ না আমি এখানে একটা থাম নট দিয়ে আটকে দিচ্ছি।
In the evening, a cultural program was held, which was managed by J.K. sir.
में बैठे दो मराठी, हेलो में पाव भाजी गई रे,
Now you can see how smartly the group-wise children were reporting their whole day schedule.
फिर वहाँ एक्सरसाइज किया है हमें ये आर्निटे का ऐसा चलते ये 1 2 3 करते फिर वहाँ से वापस आया है ऐसा करते ही फिर वापस आने के बाद हम लोग ब्रेकफास्ट किए थे और उससे वो ब्रेकफास्ट ने पूरी सब्जियाँ खाया था इसके बाद हम लोग निकले वो 13 चले बाहर फिर बाहर निकलते हुए वक्त हम देखा कि वो एक गांव है वहाँ पे सुंदर सुंदर विलेज है फिर
Next day, 20 December, we reached a place along with the campers in between the forest, where we taught them Burma Bridge Commando Walk activity. Other than this, we showed them how to build A-shaped artificial shelter and natural shelter. Along with this, we also showed them how to make fireplace and how to blow it off. Next day, challenged children and youths climbed the artificial wall and enjoyed a lot. Now, here's a beautiful singing performance performed by a challenged youth.
कल की हमें फुर्सत कहाँ सोचे जो हम मत वाले जीवन के दिन छोटे सही हम भी बड़े दिल वाले कल की हमें फुर्सत कहाँ सोचे जो हम मत वाले ला 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 कल की हमें फुर्सत कहाँ सोचे जो हम मत वाले.
Next day, we had a picnic at Sundarigao. The Samsung Journal Wall magazine was decorated by Paramita ma'am and Khama ma'am. For every campers, a drawing competition was arranged, and for the deer group, a quiz competition was organized. Then we took preparation for the campfire. For creating awareness of planting trees, Pompa ma'am costumed as a statue related to it. After that, we enjoyed our campfire night.
उड़ने को तू आजाद है बंधन को ही अब है कहाँ
On the last day, 23rd December, certificate and badge distribution took place. Following that, we took some group pictures. In the Moina group, along with me, there was Kaushik Da, Paramita Di, Abhijit, Mona Lisa Di, Chinmoy and Rahul Bhai.
We shall overcome someday. We shall overcome.
By creating sweet memories, we returned to our home, now waiting for the next camp.